Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm making chocolate butterscotch swirled fudge. This quick and easy recipe uses butterscotch and milk chocolate morsels with sweetened condensed milk to make a yummy fudge. So let's get started. Take an 8x8 baking pan and line it with wax paper and then set aside. In a microwave-safe cup or bowl, add one 11-ounce package of butterscotch morsels. For this recipe, you will need one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Measure out 1 cup of it and pour it over your butterscotch morsels. Keep the remaining sweetened condensed milk because we'll need it later in the recipe. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now melt this in the microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring each time until it is melted, and then set aside. In another microwave-safe cup or bowl, add 1/4 cup of milk chocolate morsels and your remaining sweetened condensed milk. Now melt this in the microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring each time until it is melted. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and stir together. Now place your butterscotch mixture into your prepared pan. Then drizzle your chocolate mixture over the butterscotch. Using a table knife, swirl through the fudge. Now chill this in the refrigerator until it sets up. After it is set up, lift the fudge out of the pan and cut it into squares to serve. And here it is, chocolate butterscotch swirled fudge. This fudge is really easy to make and it turns out rich and creamy. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. Then place your peanut butter mixture into your pan. Butterscotch!
I've been waiting.
Butterscotch, not peanut butter. Butterscotch. And here it is. Chocolate peanut butter swirled fudge. No! Not peanut butter. Butterscotch. This fudge is really easy to make. That's it. What was that else I was going to say?